Locating missing data. So locating where MATLAB has inserted NAN. So you are going to locate that missing data. So X is there. So now to try to use the equality operator to test elements of X, which is equivalent to NAN. Store the result in a logical vector. So I will be checking X is equal to NAN and I will be storing the ID. So I will be comparing every element of X with NAN. I will be storing which all ID is going to be NAN. So what I have written is correct. See here, IDX equal to, sorry, IDX equal to XW equal to NAN. This might seem confusing, but it is the answer. IDX will contain what all the index of elements which are not null. Okay. Contain index of whatever thing which is NAN. Use is missing function test whether the elements of X are NAN. So you can even use this is missing function to check whether what are the elements of X are NAN. The syntax is simple. Just pass this is missing X to the is missing function. So if you pass this X array to the is missing function, it will show, it will have the logical values. Wherever one is there, it means that there is an NAN in your array. So wherever one is there, it means there is an NAN in your array. So here, second and fifth position you have one, which means second and fifth position you have NAN. Okay, that is the idea of using is missing function. To create a variable y that contains the count of how many NANs are there in the X vector. So whether if you want to count how many NANs are there, that you can do it using the addition. From the index, you add all the non-zero values in the index. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. That is going to be the number of NANs in your array. The first thing we found out what is the ID of all the NANs. Then we are finding out how many NANs by counting all the ones. Extract all the non-NANs into the vector Z. So non-NANs you are going to extract into the vector Z. So we are going to use the command Z equal to not non-zero of, sorry, Z equal to whichever is not equal to IDX, I am going to extract. We're able to understand this. X not equal to IDX. Not equal to IDX means not equal to whichever value is not 1, those values, except those values, I'm going to load all the zeros. X of IDX means all ones, but X of not IDX means I'm going to load X, which is going to have the index to be 0. Okay. Product of all elements in the vector, you have to find the product of all elements. I can write P is equal to prod of X. This should ignore the NaN elements, hopefully. We'll see whether it is correct. No, P is going to be NaN. So again, I think we have to give exclusively the command to ignore. Sorry, we are going to find for Z. Okay, not for X. We are going to find for Z. Yes. I'm going to find the prod of Z. You get, see here, 2, 5, 3, 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30. Remove the NaN elements directly from this X. So that is possible. So X of IDX equal to, if I give this X of IDX equal to this one, whenever IDX is 1, that element will be made empty. When IDX is 0, it will not be disturbed. You see here, now you got 5. Same way is missing. The commands are again revisited here. So we'll go to the quiz question. Which command removes all NaN elements from the array X? Say me the answer. Please say me the answer in the chat box. A, B, C, or D. So which will remove all the NaN elements from the array X? A, B, C, or D. What will be the command which will remove all the NaN elements from the array? Shall I go with A? A is wrong because is missing will find only the NaN elements. Shall I go with the second? Second is also wrong. Fourth, yes. Option D is going to be the correct one. Okay, option D, yes. I got the answer as option D. Yes, you are right, Ankulu. Option D is right because whatever is missing of X will return all the IDs of the missing data, which is NaN, that is equated to the empty bracket. So it will remove all the NaN elements from the matrix. So you have again, see the same task is given using the missing function to find the missing data. So I'm not doing this. We are the same thing is given. I am go to the next module. He says certain exercises are overlapping, so I'm not doing the